It's funny how the headset jack became so divisive for some buyers. A phone with a headset jack is closer to being a slam dunk, and if a phone doesn't have one, that can shoo them away. That's why Wednesday's teasing tweet from OnePlus could bring hope for its next phone, the rumored OnePlus 5T. The Clue OnePlus tweeted a picture in which the headset jacks prominently appear on its 6 phones. OnePlus isn't yet copying to the OnePlus 5T, which is expected to be released in late November, but if the company is making a statement now, after taking the OnePlus 5 phone out of rotation, it's not going to then announce a phone that ditches the jack in favor of a single USB-C port. The headset jack has become a hot-button issue for some buyers as more and more phone makers have stripped it out.